Hey guys, oh my gosh, it's so
it's so
small.
teeny.
Okay, hey guys, I've been in here a while. Any tips on moving vocal rhythms, especially perfecting timing on fast songs, like when the notes are pickup notes instead of just the one, just on the first beat notes. Okay, so pickup notes practice.
Yeah.
I mean, you kind of basically know where the rhythm is, know where the emphasis is. So whatever syllable, falls on one. You say it's a pickup. So you want to know whatever note falls on that main beat and make sure that you're placing that there. And if you do that, then the pickup gets a little easier.
Yeah.
I hope that makes sense. Long story short, a lot of practice is what it boils down to. You have to kind of be ready. I mean, you can count out and things like that, and that can be helpful for a brief period of time. But I find that if I know where the beat, what syllables are on the downbeat, the first beat of the measure or whatever, hopefully you understand what I'm talking about, which if you know pickup note, then you probably should. Then if you know what syllables on that, reverse engineering it is a little easier. It's easier to make sure that you get there.
Yeah.
So, or at least you start back in the right place when that happens. So hopefully that helps. Any tips on improving vocal rhythm, especially perfecting timing songs?
That's BJ, by the way.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. I'm trying to think what else might be helpful in that context. Be bold.
Yeah.
Like, because a lot of people are like really getting they get really analytical and they're like, oh wait, where's it comes, and then they kind of start and they kind of come into it. Like I said, know where the downbeat is, be bold, and kind of and play with it, because you'll notice if you practice it in a bold way, you'll know more convincingly if you're off. And you'll know more convincingly when you're on. That's one of the reasons why when I'm working with people, or I know I've been in choirs and stuff like that, they talk about this too. It's like, if you're going to make your mistakes loud, so we know that they're there, so we can fix them. So it just makes it a little bit more clear if you're off, if you do it as if you were 100% sure. So hopefully that helps. And then, like we were talking about, know where the downbeat is, and hopefully that'll be that'll be helpful.
Yeah.
But cool stuff. Yeah, let me know if that's helpful. If you have any follow-up questions, BJ. It's good to see you on, by the way.
Yeah.
It's good to see you, buddy.